Once you've connected your CL console and each one of your remote I/O racks in either a daisy chain or a redundant network configuration, the patching between your remote I/O rack devices and your consoles will be done automatically. The way these devices are patched will be determined by the unit ID settings on each one of the remote I/O racks. To verify the connection of those remote I/O racks to your CL digital console, you can go to the I/O rack page and take a look at the Dante input patch settings. The output patch settings from your CL console to each one of your remote I/O racks will be set by your lead on audio or your system administrator. Once your remote I/O racks are connected to your console, you can verify the initial Dante input patch by going to your rack and touching where it says Dante input patch. This will bring up the Dante input patch window where you can see where each one of your remote I/O racks are connected. Each one of your output buses can be assigned to multiple output ports, whether that be a Dante output port, a slot output port, or an Omni output port. Each of your Dante output ports must be assigned to the I/O rack that you wish that signal to output from. Let's say, for example, that we want mix bus number 1 to output from the first output port on our rack number 1. We can do this by touching where it says rack and making sure we're on the I/O rack tab. Next, you'll touch on rack number 1. Then select the output tab at the bottom. On this output tab, we can choose which Dante ports are going to be assigned to the output ports on that rack. I would touch in this window and then choose the Dante port that mix number 1 is assigned to. If you wish to continue patching, you can touch on the plus sign to go to the next output.